बना ले भाई, आगे हो जा।
Okay, carry on. Okay, so over here,
और ये क्या है?
we call N6 tool 1.
तुझे नहीं पता भाई,
ये तूने किया है?
तुझे पता मैंने किया।
जितनी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है इससे तो लग रहा था तेरा है। भाई बहुत स्लो है। वो भाई वो कोना दिखा भाई, पार्ट में दिखा। भाई तेरे बाल मेरी टर्न है, ठीक है?
With G43, G00, X and Y comes with Z 25.4 with H offset 4 because it is 2.4. Okay? Before that, you have to put an RPM. S 2000. M 03. Okay, then tool change actually comes on the top. Okay, then it goes there and then drills. Where is the feed? Then G00 up, G01, G01 to the down, G00 up. Then G28, M5, M30. Now it's makes sense. This is extremely dangerous not to check part pilot and do editing program on the fly. Okay, you have got enough time over there to check this, check this, check this. Programs outside machine is better. It's good that you stop because without RPM. Otherwise after that line it was crashing anyhow. So you got saved. Now you have to run from the top.
I have already changed the wheel to.
Okay, so check it out. Check it out. Close. Close. Now, I have put MO1 purposefully. Why? Because I want you to stop at MO1 and change the tool. Till now everything looks good, so I am running without single plug. So as soon as MO1 stops, you have to stop, change tool, make it to single block, and finish up the program. Yes. Okay, go.
Nice.
It's good now. अभी साफ करना पड़ेगा सारा मीटिंग से पहले नहीं वो तो उनका आप वापस करेंगे
क्या बता रहा था?
ये मीटिंग के लिए पहले करना पड़ेगा ना
You need to yeah. Oh, change to
Okay, come down.
I'll take the video
Carlos.
That should be the corner.
yeah Carlos
Not, you are wrong. Open the door. Make sure wobbliness goes. Wobbling should not be wobbling. Is it at that corner? Okay, then you are good.
I am having
Okay.
fear in this meeting.
So for yeah. What is it?
I am not feeling good about the drilling.
I think it's gonna be okay.
Okay. Change
Trust
the
me.
tool to tool
Trust
2.
me.
But the depth I gave you, I don't.
How are you doing? You should have cleaned the part.
Oh,
What? Oh. You're cutting the chips which you already cut.
that's the drilling one. That's the last one.
No matter what. Go. Yes. Go to the other side. Yeah. Go.
Oh,
That's fine. Put another tool in. Okay, fine.
that's good. Now we have something to write in the error.
That's true.
Okay. So now,
See, Carlos?
Good.